The package length of the product is 8.25 inches. The package width of the product is 15.25 inches. The package height of the product is 13.25 inches. Country of origin, United States. Fit type, vehicle specific. The Akebono-ACT Ultra Premium Ceramic Brake Pad will restore or enhance domestic and Asian OEM vehicle braking performance, delivering ultimate solutions for noise, vibration, harshness, dust and pedal pulsation. Akebono is the largest supplier of original equipment pads and the #1 choice of automakers in North America. Top reviews from the United States. Product is no good. I installed the product with ease, but these pads are noisy. They started to make noise within 2 months of installation. The noise only comes from the driver's side brake pad set. My initial reaction, I must have done something wrong. Opened and reinstalled with appropriate grease etc. On the clock within 2/3 of a month, the noise returned. I redid the job, however, I consulted with YouTube to ensure I was not doing something wrong. Clockwork noise is back again within 2 to 3 months. What a waste of time and effort. Not buying again. I should be given my money back.